So welcome students. So in this question you're given that the distance between the foci of an ellipse is 6 and the minor axis of the ellipse is equal to 8. If that is so, what is the eccentricity of this ellipse? That's the question. So we know that the distance between the foci is 2AE and the minor axis 2B. These are the mathematical equations corresponding to the given information. So if you divide these two, AE by B is equal to 3 by 4. This implies E is equal to 3 by 4 times B by A, right? This implies E square is equal to 9 by 16 times B square by A square. That is equal to 9 by 16 times, what is B square by A square? We know that for an ellipse, E square is equal to 1 minus of B square by A square. So B square by A square will be equal to 1 minus E square. This implies E square times 1 plus 9 by 16 is equal to 9 by 60. This implies E square times 25 by 16 is equal to 9 by 16. 16 and 16 gets cancelled. This implies E is equal to 3 by 5. So according to these two informations, the eccentricity of the ellipse has to be equal to 3 by 5. Thank you.